The ability to analyse and evaluate an issue is a key professional skill for management accountants, and as such, it will be tested in every question in every APM exam. Analysis and evaluation mean that you have to logically investigate and process information to respond to a request from management or meet a stated objective for the organisation. Many APM questions will ask you to evaluate a matter for the senior management of the organisation. Remember, an evaluation usually requires you to offer a balanced argument, so you are expected to provide advantages and disadvantages or benefits and problems in your answer. Your evaluation could be supplemented, if required, by justified alternative courses of action which the organisation could consider. An evaluation also normally requires an overall conclusion, so be sure to include this. To arrive at what would be considered a thorough evaluation, analysis of the matter also has to take place, which is why the two are combined in APM. You must consider which data in the question is relevant to your answer, as knowing what information is needed for each requirement is a key part of the skill process. When you are producing an evaluation, you need to break down what you've been asked to do into its component parts. If you do this, then your response should follow the priority of the requests you've been asked to report on. So by default, this prioritization will ensure that you only provide what is relevant to the answer, nothing additional or irrelevant. Any calculations you perform should be used to support your evaluation or conclusions. You need to demonstrate that you can determine which calculations are required. Don't include any calculations that you cannot see a use for. Narrative data should also have this skill applied to it. Note that any appraisal of the data, written or numeric, must use all of the relevant information in a balanced way. You cannot simply choose the parts which support your or the management's ideas and ignore those which contradict them. Analysis and evaluation of the data can also identify where information is missing or where further analysis is not possible due to lack of data. This lack of data may lead to poor recommendations, and this must be noted in your report. What is absolutely vital is that any judgments made based on your evaluations need to be clearly explained and linked to the relevant organisational issue. These are the fundamental skills used by working management accountants. To perform the role of a management accountant well, in addition to passing the APM exam, these skills must be well developed. Watch the rest of the videos in this series and use the ACCA practice platform to develop your answers to display good professional skills. Good luck with your studies.